Hello everyone, welcome back to our sessions. In this video, we are going to discuss about applications of LCM and HCF. Already we have made two videos on finding shortcut for LCM and HCF. If you have not watched, please go through that videos and then it will be easy for you to calculate problems on applications of LCM and HCF. Okay, what actually the meaning of applications of LCM and HCF means? Okay, already we discussed. Okay, there will be some shortcuts to find LCM and HCF. Okay, based on the combination of LCM and HCF, okay, they will ask you questions on competitive exams, and especially in this particular video we are going to cover one specific type of questions that can be asked in different types in various competitive exams. We'll go with the first question. The LCM of two numbers is 2079 and HCF is 27. If one of these numbers is 189, find the second number. Okay, and I hope you understood this question. Okay, here what they are giving is they have given two numbers LCM. Okay, LCM of two numbers is given and HCF of two numbers is 27. It is also given, and they have given one number is 189. They are asking us to find second number. Okay, so before going to solve this question, okay, I will tell you one important rule in LCM and HCF. Okay, for calculating these type of questions, it is mandatory for you all to know about this particular rule. What is that means? LCM of two numbers into HCF of those numbers is equals to multiplication or product of those two numbers. Okay, everyone just remember this. Here LCM of two numbers means here we know that x and y are two numbers, and those LCM multiplied with HCF is equals to product of those two numbers. Okay, which is very important formula, and if you know this, it will be a matter of seconds time to calculate. But here when we know this formula, but most of the students will directly substitute the values and they will directly multiply the value. Okay, so we'll just try to solve it by using this formula. Here LCM of two numbers given it as 2079, and what will be the HCF given? 27 is equals to, if one of these numbers is 189, means either it may be x or y. Okay, we need to find the second number. Okay, now we all know all these values except y, so we can easily calculate what's the value of y. 2079 into 27 divided by 189. Okay, if you calculate, you will get one answer. Okay, so here what I'm trying to say that is, okay, rather than multiplying all these numbers, okay, here there might be some students who are weak in calculation, and some cases, okay, calculators are not allowed in examinations. At that time, if you keep on calculating these values, okay, you are wasting your time in examinations. So we have to think smart to get answer. Okay, how we can think it smart in exam means very simple. If you observe this equation just by substituting the values, okay, if you observe these values, okay, we can get one simple logic, very simple. Now in this value 2079, in this value 2079, what will be the units place? Units place is 9. Okay, just think about the logic. Here units place is 9. In the next value we are multiplying with 27, right? Here units place is 7. Okay, when we multiply these two values, here units place is 9 and here units place is 7. Okay, what is 9 7 times? 63. Okay, so here 9 7 times is 63, means that value ends with 3. No need to bother about whether it is 63 or whatever it is, but when we multiply 9 and 7, units place in the left hand side, units places in the left hand side, my answer will ends with 3. Are you clear about this? Now right hand side we have one value 9, we have one value, units place is 9, and what will be the value of y? We are finding it, right? Okay, now we need to cross check with options. It's very simple. Which option unit value multiplied with 9 will ends with 3? suppose here let's consider y value is 297, option A. Okay, 9 7 times is 63. Here right hand side also it is ends with 3. Okay, so option A satisfied. That's it, option A. Now we need to check with remaining options as well. If I will consider 584, what is 9 into 4? 36. It is ending with 6. So option B cannot be my answer. Now if I will consider option C, here it is also ending with 9. 9 into 9 will ends with 1. Why? Because 9 into 9 is 81. So option C cannot be my answer. Now option D. Option D ends with 6. Okay, now option D ends with 6 means 9 into 6. Okay, 9 into 6 not ends with 3. So option D is also wrong. So I can say that option 1 alone satisfying our logic. So option A is correct. See, very simple here. You need to understand rather than multiplying. Here, many students will waste time in exam just by calculating or multiplying these values. Okay, but here, no need to waste the time. You just observe the units place. Okay, you just observe the units place, and units place multiplied with another units place number. Okay, here ends with 3. So right hand side also the number should ends with 3. Very simple logic. And some students might have doubts, sir, what if it is 2 or 3 options will satisfy the same unit digit? Okay, if I will take, there might be chances in exam. Okay, for those cases also I will tell you the trick how we can calculate without multiplying those numbers in the next questions. Okay, so we'll go with the next question, and I hope you all are clear with this question. Yeah, next one. The HCF of two numbers is 11 and their LCM is 7,700. If one of the numbers is 275, then the other is. The similar case here, okay, already we know that. And this question, if you observe here, this question was asked in previous SSC exam. Okay, now the same, exactly the same question I have taken, including the same options. Okay, now we'll try to calculate by using a simple shortcut. Now we already know that LCM into HCF, LCM into HCF is equals to product of those two numbers, whatever it may be, X value or Y value. Now we'll try to substitute the value. Already we know LCM is 7,700. Now, what is HCF? HCF is 11. Now, when we multiply these values, already they have given X value. One of the numbers is 275. Either it may be X or Y. Okay, we need to find second number. Okay, we need to find second number. Okay, now if you observe left hand side, one number ends with 0. One number ends with 0. Next number ends with 1. Okay, now 0 multiplied with 1. Okay, when 0 multiplied with this 1, for sure whatever it may be answer we will get, that will ends with 0. And I hope you understood this logic. Whatever it may be answer, I'm not asking you to calculate or multiply the values. Just understand the logic. This value ends with 0 multiplied with any number that side, for sure that answer or result will ends with 0. Okay, now right hand side also, whatever it may be value, that value should ends with 0, correct? So here already one value ends with 5. 5 multiplied with which unit digit result will ends with 0. That's what only you need to find. Okay, now we'll cross check with option A. Here option A, 279. 279 ends with 9. Okay, now here already 5 is there. 5 9 times is 45. It is not ending with 0. So option A cannot be my answer. Now option B, 5 3 times. Option B unit digit is 3. 5 3 times is 15. Again it is also not ending with 0. So option B cannot be my answer. Okay, now we'll cross check with option C. Option C ends with 8. So 5 8 times is 40, means answer ending with 0. Okay, so option C is satisfied. Now option D also ends with 8. Again 5 8 times is 40. This result also ends with 0, means option D also satisfied. But here out of 4 options, okay, based on our simple logic, we eliminated 2 options. Means you can understand how much time we have saved. Even if you want to predict, just okay, 2 options are eliminated, we need to select only one option among Just two options left out. Okay, now I will tell you in this case. Okay, most of the students are having this doubt, sir. Here two options got satisfied. Now which option that I need to select? Yes, again one more trick is there, that is also a very easiest trick. Okay, now in these cases what you need to do is, we'll try to go with digital sum. Okay, digital sum. What is mean by digital sum? Okay, digital sum in the sense we need to get the final answer with single digit. Remember, the digital sum means we need to get the final sum with single digit. Suppose 7,700. Okay, what is the digital sum of 7,700? We need to add 7 plus 7 plus 0 plus 0. It will be same. 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay, now 14 is not digital sum. Again we need to add 1 plus 4. Okay, remember that digital sum means we need to get with only single digit. Again we need to add 1 plus 4. What if I add 1 plus 4? It will be 5, correct? So 7,700 digital sum is 5. 7,700, I'm writing it this side. 7,700 into 11 is equals to 275 into which value? Okay, now here what will be the digital sum here? 5. So digital sum is 5. Now what is the digital sum for 11? Already you know that it is 2. Are you clear about it? Now 5 into 2. What is 5 into 2? 10. Again 10 digital sum is 1. So finally left hand side digital sum is 1. And I hope you all are clear with this. Very simple. We have two numbers to be multiplied. Each number digital sum is 5 and 2. Again multiply 5 and 2, it is 10. 10 means digital sum is 1. Why? Because it is, again we need to multiply 1 and 0. Now similarly, can you tell what is the digital sum for 275? 275 means 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 digital sum means again 1 plus 4 we need to calculate. Why? Because two digit number cannot be our digital sum. Digital sum in the sense only with single digit. So what is 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4 means 5. But overall if you observe left hand side, what is the final resultant digital sum? Final it should be 1. It means right hand side also we need to get final resultant digital sum is 1. 5 multiplied with which value we need to consider? Already two options eliminated based on previous logic. This is again one more logic. Okay, now 308. If I will consider 308, okay, what's the digital sum for 308? 8 plus 3. What is 8 plus 3? 11, correct? Okay, 8 plus 3 is 11. Now 1 plus 1 again. 1 plus 1. What is digital sum for 11? Again 1 plus 1 we need to consider, it is 2. What is 5 into 2? 5 into 2 is 10. If 10 is the digital sum, again it is final answer is 1, correct? Why? Because again 1 plus 0. So final resultant is 1, means left hand side 1, right hand side 1. I can say that option C is correct. If you want, you can cross check with 318. Okay, what is the digital sum of 318? It is 12, right? Okay, 12 means again it is 3. Now right hand side, if it is 3 means 3 multiplied with 5, 15. So overall resultant you will get it as 6. So here left hand side 1 is there, right hand side 6 not satisfied. So option D eliminated. Okay, so even you can calculate, if this logic will not work, you can go with digital sum logic. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this. We'll try to solve next question. The LCM of two numbers is 12 times their HCF. The sum of HCF and LCM is 403. If one number is 93, then the other is. Okay, this question was asked in previous MBA exam. Okay, now LCM of two numbers. LCM of two numbers is 12 times their HCF. Means indirectly they are giving. Okay, if you observe these previous questions, they have given HCF value and LCM value. Okay, but indirectly they have given LCM is 12 times than HCF. Okay, now here for our better calculations, I'm just writing L is nothing but LCM, H is nothing but HCF. Okay, don't get confused. Now LCM of two numbers is 12 times than HCF. Can I write like this? Okay, LCM of two numbers is 12 times than HCF. And one more condition given, sum of LCM and HCF is 403. Sum of LCM and HCF, L plus H. Already we assumed it as LCM is L, HCF is H. So L plus H is 403. Now can I substitute in place of L, can I substitute 12H from the first equation? So 12H plus H is equals to 403. 13H is equals to 403. Okay, now what's the value of H? How many times 13? Okay, 13 3 times is 39. 1 is the remainder, again 13. So 13 ones 13. So HCF value, H is nothing but HCF. HCF value is 31. Okay, if we know HCF value is 31, we can calculate LCM as well. Just substitute the value. Okay, now process is similar. Only extra added here is indirectly they have given LCM value and HCF value. Remaining process is same. What's the process we know? LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Now LCM. Okay, HCF value is 31. Okay, what is LCM value? 12 into 31. Okay, if you want, you can multiply, or else just we can cancel it out with the same value. Okay, so this is entirely LCM. This is HCF. Okay, is equals to one number is 93 and we need to find remaining number. Okay, now how you are going to calculate? Is that really required to cancel the value and multiplying the value? No, we'll just think it smartly. Here unit digit for 12. Okay, unit digit is 2, here unit digit is 1, and here unit digit is 1. Okay, so what is 2 into 1? I'm just only considering unit digit. Why? Because if I will multiply 12 into 30, 31 into 31, whatever the result I will get, okay, result I will get unit digit. I mean last digit or unit digit we can call. This unit digit is depends on unit digit of all these three multiples, all these three numbers, right? So 2 into 1 is 2. Again 2 into 1 is 2. For sure, if you multiply these three numbers, that result ends with 2. If you want, you can check it. Okay, so here result is ending with 2. Now already we have 3. Okay, 3 is unit digit of 93 and we need to find this value unit digit. Okay, already which value unit digit? We need to check with options. Okay, which unit digit multiplied with 3 will ends with 2? Now let us consider first option. First option is 128 ends with 8. Now here 3 into 8. What is 3 8 times? 24. Means here result is ending with 4. So option A can I eliminate directly? Yes. Okay, next 124. Okay, here 3 4 times. Here 124 unit digit is 4. 3 4 times is 12. So B can be our option. Next option C, 134. 134 means again 3 multiplied with 4 is 12, means ends with 2. This can be also our answer. Now option D ends with 6. Now 3 multiplied with 6, 18, means ends with 8. So this cannot be our answer. Okay, so what can be our answer? Either it may be option B, option C. When I will take option B or option C, those numbers are ends with 2. Why? Because we are just multiplying with unit digit. So now two options are getting satisfied. You know how to solve this question. Even two options are getting satisfied. So very simple. Now calculate with digital sum. I'm just directly calculating with digital sum. What is the digital sum for 12? 3 into what is digital sum for 31? 4 into what is digital sum for 31 again? 4. Now 3 into 4, 12. 12 4 times 48. 48 means again 12. Okay, 48 means here 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 means again 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, this is what exactly the meaning of digital sum. Okay, if you multiply the values and if you are getting 2-digit number, again multiply those digits in the given value, you will get the digital sum until you will get single digit. Remember this. So finally digital sum is 3. Okay, now 93. What is 9 plus 3? 12. Okay, 12 multiplied with, here let us consider option B is my answer. Okay, just assume. Why? Because either B or C can be your option. Okay, for 93, digital sum is here 12. Again 1 plus 2, final digital sum is 3. Okay. Next 124 means here digital sum is 7. Okay. What is 7 3 times? 7 3 times is 21. Okay. 21 means again 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? Again 3. Digital sum is 3. Even left hand side digital sum is 3. Right hand side also digital sum is 3. Okay. So option B satisfied. Now if you want, you can check with option C. Okay. What is option C? 134. What will be the digital sum of 134? 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. So here already for 93 it is 3. Okay. What is 8 3 times? 8 3 times is 24. 24 means digital sum we will get finally it is 6. So but left hand side digital sum is 3. Right hand side digital sum is 6 means not satisfied. So option C not satisfied. But if I will consider option B, 124 satisfies with digital sum. Final digital sum is 3. So my answer is option B. So final answer is option B. Okay. And I hope you all are clear with this. And if first you need to cross check with units place. Okay. Minimum. Okay. Minimum you can eliminate 1 or 2 options in exam. Sometimes, okay, depends on your luck. 3 options will be eliminated directly just by using this simple logic. Okay. In case if 2 options are getting satisfied with the same unit digit logic, then go with digital sum method. Okay. In case even digital sum also satisfied with 2 numbers, okay, then there is no option. We have to multiply and we have to check with the correct answer. Okay. But mostly 99% of the chances in competitive exams, they will not design the question in such a way that, okay, you have to multiply or you have to take long time. Okay. Depends on how we will think about the question and how we will understand about the question. Okay. So here we'll go with the next question. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 21 and 4641 respectively. If one of the number lies between 200 and 300, then the two numbers are. Okay. First, I will teach you this question by using normal approach. Okay. Very, very important question here. This question also given in last year MBA exam. Okay, last year's. Okay. So LCM and HCF of two numbers is 21 and 4641. Already we know that LCM value. Okay. LCM value is 21 into HCF value is 4641 is equals to X into Y. We already know this rule. Okay. So but here how we can decide, at least if you know one value either X or Y, we can find remaining value. But the first number itself they have given one number lies between 200 to 300, we need to find next number. Okay. But here indirectly they have given one number lies between 200 to 300. If you observe all the options, one number for sure lies between 200 to 300, no doubt at all. Okay. But traditionally, just by understanding about the logic, how we can write it as, okay, I will explain you with one simple example. Later we'll come back to this question. Why? Because if I will directly explain, most of the students will get confused how I have taken the condition. Okay. Let's consider with small example 4 comma 6. Okay. 4 comma 6 are two numbers. Can you tell me what is LCM of 4 comma 6? What is LCM of 4 comma 6? LCM is 12. Okay. Already I told the shortcut HCF. HCF of 4 comma 6 is 2. Correct. Now we'll apply this rule LCM into HCF. What is LCM? 12 into what is HCF? 2. LCM into HCF is equals to, always remember here HCF is 2. Okay. Whatever it may be numbers. Okay. LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Already we know product of two numbers are 4 and 6. Correct. 4 and 6 are product of numbers. But if you don't know this 4 and 6, only they have given 12 is LCM, 2 is HCF. Okay. They have not given what are those numbers and how we can consider it as, there will be simple logic. This is nothing but these numbers based on HCF. What is HCF here? 2. For sure it is multiple of 2. I can consider it as 2a. and this is multiple of 2. I can consider it as 2b. Okay, why I'm taking it as 2a and 2b means, for sure if you know LCM and HCF, the given values are multiples of their HCF. Remember this, the given numbers are multiples of their HCF. Is that clear? Now here, why it is multiples of HCF means, for sure if you will take 4, 4 is a multiple of 2 HCF, and if you will take 6, 6 is also a multiple of 2. Okay, so this is what the logic, and if you want I will explain you with one more example so that you will get more clear idea. Okay, let's consider another example, 12 comma 15. Already we know the numbers. What is LCM? LCM of 12 and 15 is 60, correct? Now HCF, what is HCF of 12 and 15? 3. Okay, now LCM into HCF, what is LCM into HCF? 30 into HCF is 3. Now, what are the given product of those numbers? What are the product of those numbers means, no doubt at all, even if I don't know the values here 12 and 15, I can surely say that this number will be multiple of their HCF. HCF is 3, right? For sure, this number is multiple of HCF and this number is multiple of HCF. So 3a and 3b I can write. Okay, and what is a value? A value is means, here already we know that it is 12, so a value will be 4. Okay, but just ensure that whether these numbers are multiples of 3 or not. Okay, is that 12 multiple of 3, 15 multiple of 3? Of course yes. So condition satisfied. So remember this logic, and based on similar logic we are going to find it out. Now 21 into 4641. Okay, what is HCF here? HCF is 21. Whatever it may be the values here, x and y, whatever it may be the values of x and y, surely I can say that these x and y are multiples of HCF. HCF is 21. Okay, now I can write it as 21b. Okay, this is for understanding this I have explained with two examples. Okay, if I will write it directly, some students will get doubt why it is 21a into 21b. Just remember, those two numbers are surely multiples of HCF, 21a and 21b. Okay, now we need to calculate a and b. We'll just try to do that, and we'll just cancel it. A here 21 will get cancelled, and 21 how many times? 21 2 times is 42, and 44 again 21 2 times is 42, and again 21 means 21 1 times. So finally we got 221 is nothing but a b. AB value is 221. Now if you observe 221 means it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3, not divisible by 4. I'm just checking how I can write factors. Okay, very simple. Okay, now how we can write factors? We just need to check divisibility rules, right? So it is not divisible by 2. Okay, it is not divisible by 3, not with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. Okay, 12 also it is not satisfied. So 13. Okay, it will divisible by 13. So 13 how many times? 13 17 times. Okay, so only thing here we need to write it as factors, 13 17 times. So now can I write it as a is nothing but 13, b is nothing but 17. Why? Because 13 17 times is 221. A value is 13, b value is 17. Okay, so now already we know a value is 13 and b value is 17. Okay, now only thing we need to know this here is, what is one number? 21. I'm writing it here, 21a. Okay, one number is 21a, one number is 21b. What is 21a? 21 into 13. Okay, next number is 21 into 17. Okay, what is 21 into 13? 21 into 13 is 273, and next 21 into 17 is 357. So these are the two numbers, 273 and 357. You can check with the options here which option is correct. Option D. This is normal procedure. Okay, this is normal procedure. Why I have explained these many things means, you need to understand this rule on how we can take 21a and 21b, which is most important question and most frequently asked question in competitive exams. Okay, now you may have doubt, Okay, sir, doing all these things, is that really necessary? Of course. Okay, so even if you know the shortcut, okay, just know the smart logics and smart tricks, but you need to prepare for normal procedure as well, because some case, rare case, even the two logics are not going to work in exam, at least you have concept with you to try the question. Okay, now actually we have did lot of things here. Okay, we have cross check with all the things. Okay, actually no need to do all these things. Okay, so we have 273 and 357, right? Okay, let me erase this. Okay, now we'll get back to a fresh question. Okay, nothing we are doing here. Okay, very simple. LCM is 4, LCM is 4641, HCF is 21, and we need to know these numbers. Okay, now we'll try to apply the same logic as we discussed. Okay, here 1 into 1. Okay, what is unit digit of HCF? 1. What is unit digit of LCM? 1. What is 1 into 1? Whatever it may be the result here, for sure that will ends with 1, correct? Okay, now check with options, substitute the value. Now we'll go with option verification method. Here first option ends with 3. Okay, one number ends with 3 and next number also ends with 3. What is 3 into 3? 9. So option A not satisfied. Next, 3 into 9. 9 threes 27. Okay, again 27 means 27 means here 9. Okay, so option B not satisfied. Okay, next 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. Sum. Okay, or multiplication. Okay, 3 into 1 is 3. Here 3 into 1 is 3, not satisfied. Here 9 3 times is 27, ends with 7, not satisfied. Okay, if you want you can go with digital sum or else directly check with unit digit. Now if you observe fourth option, 3 into 7, what is 3 into 7? 21. Okay, 20. Here 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 21. 21 ends with 1. So only option which will satisfy option D. And I hope you all are clear with this, and I hope you enjoyed the session. Okay, thank you everyone, and do subscribe for more videos.